Hello, welcome back. We have made it here to Pico in the Azores, Portugal, and we are in the village of Monte. This is just one street here in the village, and Monte is a small village near the capital village of Madalena. We're about 10 minutes away from the capital here, just across the bay from another Azores island called Fayal. And it's a beautiful place. What's wonderful here is all the walking you can do, and there's plenty of walking because there's not much else going on. But it's a gorgeous, gorgeous place. And I'll tell you a little bit more about the island and a little bit of its history, and show you some sights around the area. So let's go take a look. Let's go exploring. So this little village here is called Monte, or Monte if you want to pronounce it in English. It's M-O-N-T-E, and it's named after this hill right here at the top of the village, and they call this like the head of the Monte, the mountain. It's more it's not really a mountain. It's more of a hill, but it's here. And then just below it here, towards the sea, towards the west side, is the smaller one in the back, and they call that the foot of the Monte, of the hill. One of the most amazing features here of the Azores Islands is that they're volcanic islands, and you can see here like a lot of the buildings are made of volcanic rock back in several hundred years ago, because that's what they had, that's the resources they had, and that's what they made. And a lot of these buildings still exist today, and they've been remodeled and rebuilt to more of today's standards, but the look and feel of them is just simply amazing. And here's just one here in the corner as an example. You can see where the walls, they even fill them in with cement just to keep it together. But many homes that were built hundreds of years ago without any cement, and they're in disrepair nowadays, and would be quite the project just to get them back up to living standards. This island is so small and so few inhabitants that they don't have a highway. This is really their main road that goes around the island. Of course, there are smaller inside roads, but to circle the island, that go from village to village, is really one main road. And here's where it crosses here in the village of Monte. See it coming down across and heading that way towards Madalena. I love these old stone walls that were built here 100+ years ago, and still they stand today. And there's got to be thousands and tens of thousands of miles of these walls all around the island, all built by hand, all using the natural resources that they have here with the lava rock. Pretty amazing. It's beautiful. Hey buddy, how are you? You're not animatronic at all, are you? Hi, good to see you. You doing well? And look at your friend over here. Let's go see your friend. Come on. Wanna go see your friend? Hello. Oh, you don't have to be scared. How are you? Want to see a picture? Hey buddy. You come here to protect your friend? That's nice of you.
Hey, that's a good guy. Oh,
Here's Sergio and Pedro.